In order for you to remove the oil filter housing, you're gonna have to do it in the opposite direction. It's gonna be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once you remove that, this is just gonna be able to come out. Then you're gonna get the new bolts that go to the oil filter housing. Each bolt's gonna be a different size, I believe, so make sure you get it at the dealer. And then you're gonna have to put it in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you do that, if you have a 6-cylinder, that's going to be the M272 engine. It's going to be torqued down to 20 Newton meters. If you have a V8, it's going to be torqued down to 20 Newton meters. Regardless, 20 Newton meters, right? Newton meters, that's different from foot pounds. So put that up on Google, and you're going to be able to see what is the difference for that. Now we're going to go to the, what do you call it? Give me a second. Let me fucking exit that. All right, good. All right. And now in order for you to do this, the water pump, you're going to need to buy new screws. So everything you're going to need to buy new screws. Why? Because the last thing you want to do is put the screws right back in and then they snap. You don't want that. So for the thermostat, the water pump, the oil filter housing, buy new screws. So for the water pump, the screws are going to be 8 M7 X28. That's going to be 8 of them. Then you're going to need 2 M8X75 and then 1 M8X110. Let me see if I'm correct. Last thing I want to be is wrong. Let me see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 7s. And then, yeah, 1 C. All right. All right, so in order for you to start doing this job, what I did was I moved it from the opposite direction, right? So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then the B's, you're going to have 3 B's. 1, 2, 3, the B's. I removed them in any order. That really didn't matter. And then the C, I removed the C last, right? And then to retighten it, I did the same process, except it was 1A, 2A, 3A, 3A is right here actually, 4A, 5A, 6A, 7A, 8A, and then from the 8A, then I went to the B's, B, B, B. I did it in any order. The C's, I did it in any order. It doesn't matter. But the bolts do matter, right? So the 8 A's, right? 3A right here. So you're going to have 8 A's. For the M7s, is going to be torqued down to 25 Newton meters, right? For the M8s, is going to be torqued down to 20 Newton meters. That's the B's, B, B. You're going to have 3 B's. And then for the C, where's the C? All right, give me a second. All right, so M7, 25, M8, 20. Where the hell is the C? I believe the C's, I did the same thing for 20 Newton meters. That's what I believe. But let me triple check. Let me see. Coolant. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be 20 as well. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna post this video up, and then after I post this video up, I'm gonna post up the entire project that I did.